How to check X platform comments on your post. You just go to this platform, X platform, formerly Twitter. You can also go to twitter.com, and I just want to use my personal example, right, for the post I have just made of recent. So you click on your profile icon, just go to profile here. So after that, you'll be able to see the posts you have made. Okay, so I have made a post 1 hour ago, and this is what I'm trying to mean. Okay, this is what I'm trying to mean 1 hour ago. And formerly we used to go here on this comment section, then from there, so you realize that you have to reply to your post. So what you do, let me just go back and I show you. Okay, so what you do, you click on this timestamp. The timestamp is the link which is going to show you when the tweet was posted. For example, like this tweet of mine was posted 1 hour ago. So you click there. Okay, so you will land here, and what you are supposed to do, you just click on show. Some others, if like on your laptop, it's like show more. So you click there, and you are going to see the people who have replied or commented on your post or on this post. And for example, mine, this guy Crypto Signals has commented on my post. Okay, so if I click on show more, I'm going to see the full detail of what he has commented, like reposting in a new way, but just using almost the same posts, right? I have posted, and that is what he is using. Okay, so you can see now. You can see this is the guy. So that's how you check the post, and you can even see the engagements. So there are things you need to know. For example, you can even see the retweets or quotes. You can as well you cannot be able to see comments if the account is private, blocked, or comments are hidden or deleted. So when I click on this one, view engagements, I will see the quotes. Here I mean those ones who quoted the post or reposted or retweeted the post. And when I go to here, I repost like other people's tweets I have shared on my timeline. Then on likes, those are the people who have liked my post or any post. So that's how you see the engagement. And I hope this has been able to help you. Until next time, keep winning.